Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I took a little break for a week because I needed some time off from all the crazy events we went on a couple of past months. But I am here with a special announcement because now unfortunately that Halloween has gone, Christmas time is here. Well, at least it's starting. Anyway, I wanted to spread a little bit of extra Christmas magic. And what I noticed lately is that a lot more people from the costuming community that I've known and follow on Instagram are joining YouTube. And there are a few like big channels that a lot of you probably already know, but there are also quite a lot of small channels. And it's really hard on a big platform such as YouTube to, you know, get your stuff out there, get recognition, or to even be found. I noticed that myself a lot. I'm not doing it to become a famous YouTuber or anything, not at all. I love sharing the things I experience, the events I go to the costumes I make, to share the knowledge I have gained over the years, because I wish I had that kind of access of information when I was learning all this stuff, and I'm still not done learning. I'm still learning new things every time. But besides that, I wanted to create a little bit of Christmas magic by, you know, getting all the Costubers, as we apparently call ourselves, come together and do a Secret Santa gift exchange. So I've approached as many channels that I could find, big and small, and I asked them, hey, would you be interested in joining us? Since we are scattered around the globe, I realized that shipping costs can get massive. So I gave everyone the option to either decide to be continental, so within Europe, or you know, people in America and Canada, you know, to stay a little bit on your own continent to cut back on the shipping cost. But a lot of people are actually interested in doing it internationally, so that's, I mean, way to go. Nothing against anyone that doesn't want to do it. I mean, I get it, you know, December is a very expensive month. Anyway, here is a, I don't know, here probably is a list of all the channels that are participating. Check them out. I'll also put their channels in the description down below. Yeah, check them out, see what they're creating. I mean, they're really creative people. Among all of them are really creative, and I'm really glad that big channels and small channels, big names, small names, unknown names, are willing to participate and, you know, share some Christmas love this season. So what that also create is some content for people to put on their channel. The content of the gift exchange should primarily be sewing or historical costuming, well, not historical, but just costuming in general related, and that also gives content. So personally, I love unboxing videos because it's like, you know, who doesn't love, you know, unpacking a gift or boxes, or see what kind of stuff people got in the mail. I'm a sucker for that. So the people that are participating, you're not obligated to film an unboxing video of your Secret Santa gift, but it's fun. So go check out their channels, see what they got, who got drawn, who, etc, etc, and yeah, have a look out in December for the unboxing videos of our Secret Santa gift exchange on YouTube. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I see you next week with a new episode of Project in Pajamas. Well, I'm making my Captain America Disney bound, Marvel bound dress. So bye!